Hey guys, my name is Anu and I'm the Glam Frog here on YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're going to be talking about sweatproofing your makeup base and how I kind of got this look locked and loaded and snatched my face. If you're new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and join my little glam fam. I'm going to be uploading every Wednesday and Sunday, so you're going to be seeing my face twice a week. How lucky are you? Well, I'm joking. So without further ado, I'm going to shut up and we're going to get into this video.
First, use a pore minimizing lightweight primer. This helps smooth out imperfections so you use less foundation. Set the primer with powder. This will help absorb excess oil through the day. Set the primer and powder with a setting spray. I'm using the MAC Fix Plus in Cold Light, and then of course letting it dry. I'm drying it with a random sheet mask because that's what I had in my hand. Use a long wearing but lightweight foundation. I love this one from Smashbox for a flawless finish. Next, add a long wear matte concealer. A hydrating concealer would end up looking greasy and we don't want that. Also use just the right amount, not too much. Set the concealer immediately with powder. I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. And then I recommend powder products for bronze, blush and highlight. I'm using MAC Gimme Sun here. Then going in with Nabla Cosmetics Habana Blush, one of my favorites, and then Slate by Onyx Spicy Highlighter. I'm going to quickly do my eyes now. Use an eyeshadow base for making your eye makeup last long. These were my tips and tricks to make your base look flawless. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.